Greetings. In this video we are going to look at how you can download a video from Twitter. So after you sign into your Twitter account and you're on the timeline and you identify a video that you want to download, for example this one, you begin by first copying its link. Okay, so to copy the link you come here below, click on share, then you copy the link to tweet, which is right here. Then we go to our tool here called downloadtwittervideo.com. So usually it pops up these ads. So you click here, close, and then this is the place where you paste the link of the post right there. Be sure that in case you see any of these ads, you can always close, and then here you select to download the MP4. Okay. So many pop-up ads appear on it, but don't let that sidetrack you from the purpose of the tool. So after you click on download MP4, and usually it can redirect you to another browser where an ad pops up, but you should be able to, after it has generated, it will show you to begin downloading. This pops up here because I have this downloader tool which may not be on your computer. Okay, so after you paste the link, it should be able to begin to download on your computer. Thank you.